Hello YouTube, I am JK Pop 101. Today I'll be showing you how to make a paper katana, or a samurai sword as it's more commonly known as. So it looks like this, and then I'll be releasing another video. The link will be right here on how to make the cover for your blade. Alright. So what you will need is a piece of paper. Printer paper is what I use. Also need some glue and some scissors. That's all you should need. Right now I will show you how to make the blade right here. Well, how this sword works is it's the blade, it runs all the way down to the end. So I'll show you how to make that. You will need one piece of paper for that. Alright, so how we're gonna do it is we're gonna fold it over. Not the best at this, but we're gonna fold it over like that. So we're gonna make this square if you don't know how to do that. So you fold it over, and then you take your scissors and you cut right along where that fold meets the paper. Now that we have our triangle, we're gonna open it up and we're gonna fold it in half. Hot dog, or it doesn't matter which way you do it because it's a square. Fold it in half like that, and then you're gonna open it up and you're gonna fold this over till it meets the inside. Then you're gonna do that again on the other side. Fold it over until it meets the crease, like that. So you have that. Then what you're going to do, you can fold it over again, because we want this to be a nice sturdy blade. If we don't want a flimsy blade, then we can't chop as much melon. Then you're going to do that again. Now that we have this, we're going to fold it over one more time. Same process. I'll resume when I've done that. Now you should have something that looks like this. And you're going to fold it over this little tube. And what you're going to do, you're going to put a bead of glue all the way down. And then you're going to fold it over like that. And you'll have that. Now that you have your glue down there and it's set, you're going to take your scissors. If you want, this is optional, you can just cut the end so it has a nice point so it looks like a real samurai sword. And then we're going to make the handle. How I usually make my handle on my swords, I will take a piece of paper, color it in, and wrap it around. And then sometimes I'll add just like white strips of paper to make it look kind of nice and a little bit realistic. So I'll show you how to do that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a piece of paper and then cut it down so it's about 1 inch in from from the edge. And you're just going to cut it all the way down. Now that you have your paper cut, you can color it in. I like mine colored in, so I'm going to go ahead and color mine, and I'll come back. Now that I have my piece of paper colored in, we're going to wrap this around. So you don't use any glue just yet. You're just going to do a wrap as high as you want. just kind of wrap it up. I'm gonna go about 3-4 inches up, like that, and then I'm gonna cut off this excess. Now that I cut that off, I'm gonna unwrap it just a little. There we go. Just unwrap that tab right there. Gonna put some glue on it, and yeah. Now that you have your glue on there, you're gonna take it over, and I'm just gonna fold it like that. It's nice. And yeah. And I have a little white bit sticking out right there. I'm just gonna snip that off. There we go. Now it's all nice, and I'll teach you how to make the handguard. Yeah. So we will be making this part right here of the sword. So how you're gonna do that is from the first square we cut, or you can cut a fresh one. You just have this piece of paper left over. We're gonna use that. So we're gonna fold it over around 2 inches each fold. So you fold it over about that much, and you fold it all the way down. Fold it there, fold it there, and then fold it there. So you have a little bit hanging over. And yeah, so then we have a little bit, so it's uneven. I just cut that off. What you're gonna do is gonna fold this over like that. Don't crease it or anything. Just a little fold. Then take your scissors and cut a little notch right in there. Kind of see it? And a little notch. And you're gonna roughly stick it on your sword. No glue yet. Kind of tricky there. It'll be kind of weird, but fits. And then, so what you're gonna do now is you're gonna cut it down to size. So you think how big it should be. I think it should be just a couple, like half an inch off from the blade. That's all done. And then, so if you take your glue and you run it down the sides and seal it up, take your finger and just kind of seal it up. It makes a nice seal. So yeah. Now that you have that bit done, you can put a little glue right along there to hold it in place, and then you pretty much have your sword done. Now for decorative purposes, on real katanas, there is a little band right here. A little gold band. It's kind of hard for you guys to see. There's a little gold band right there. And what you can do, you can take one of your scraps and color it in gold, and then take some glue and wrap it around. So yeah, so pretty much you have your finished katana. And remember, the next video will be the holder for it. And yeah, so thanks for watching.